This segment demonstrates how to assemble the Agri-Fab 50-pound push spreader. First, ensure the kickstand is securely set. Then remove the wing nuts and bolts from both sides of the frame in the rear. Next, from the front of the frame, remove the clevis pin and hair cotter pin from each side. Now, insert a lower frame tube, Part B, onto the frame. Then secure the rear with the provided 1/4 by 1 1/4 inch hex bolt, Part 26, and a 1/4 wing nut, Part 24. Now repeat for the other side. Then secure the front with the 1/4 by 1.11 inch clevis pin, Part 25, that you just removed, and a 1/8 hair cotter pin, Part 17. Next, repeat for the other side. Now remove the 2 carriage bolts and wing nuts from the bottom of the handle tube, Part A. Then align the handle tube with the lower frame tubes. Next, secure it with the provided 2 1/4 by 1.5 inch carriage bolts, Part 23, and 2 1/4 wing nuts, Part 24. Now remove the remaining carriage bolt and wing nut from the handle tube. Then align the control cable assembly and secure it with the provided 1/4 by 2 inch carriage bolt, Part 22,